Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, December 10th, we will be performing an in-depth analysis of USDJPY. The pair has shown interesting movement recently. Let's start by looking at the daily chart. As we can see from the daily time frame, USDJPY has experienced significant volatility in the past few months. We observed several instances of support and resistance levels that influenced price movements. The 145 level appears to be a significant support area, while the 150 and 155 levels served as key resistance zones throughout the period. The recent price action shows a decline from the 155 level, testing the 145 support zone and bouncing back towards the 150 resistance. Now, let's zoom in on the most recent price action on the 1-hour chart and examine the details. The 1-hour chart showcases the more recent dynamics of USDJPY price action, offering a granular look into short-term trends. From the 1732680000000 timestamp up to the 1732593600000 timestamp, the price action exhibits a similar pattern of support and resistance as we saw on the daily chart, but with a higher frequency of short-term oscillations. We can see multiple tests and breakouts of support and resistance levels. The price frequently bounced between the 154.5 and 155 level. Note the increase in volume during the more pronounced moves. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to gain an even deeper understanding of the USDJPY's recent price behavior. The 15-minute chart provides the most detailed view of the pair's intraday movements. Notice the shorter-term price fluctuations and how often the price consolidates before making any big moves. The same support and resistance zones that we observed in the other timeframes are also present here, providing confirmation of the key levels identified in our broader analysis. In summary, the USDJPY presents a complex picture. The 145 level showed to be a strong support level, while 150 and 155 functioned as strong resistance levels. Recent price action indicates a possible bullish short-term trend. However, a bearish long-term trend may be in play. The likelihood of a break above 155 is moderate. If global news suggests increased economic growth in the US and Japan remains relatively stable, this will increase the chance of a move above the 155 mark. Conversely, if the US experiences a recession or the Japanese yen strengthens unexpectedly due to global events, then the 145 support level becomes a higher priority to watch. Keep an eye on news from the US and Japan and the 145 and 150 levels for confirmation of future trends.